and in this video, we will have a look at various text editors which exist in a Linux distribution. So let's begin. Most of us have used a graphical based text editor whenever we have worked with computers. We actually used gedit in Linux in our previous module. We get TextEdit by default on Mac and Notepad on Windows. The other famous text editors among Windows and Mac users are Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, VS Code, etc. Linux users mostly tend to use the command-based editor Vim. However, many graphical-based text editors are also available in Linux. These graphical editors work better with a mouse, which makes them very user-friendly. Like, we had a good experience with gedit in the previous module. But the idea behind working with a command-based editor is to let the user work only with a keyboard, which actually is a need sometimes, especially when we connect to servers or data centers remotely. We only will have a command-based environment to work with. Command-based editors are also lightweight, which becomes a huge advantage in some embedded devices. It entirely depends upon a user and the environment as to make a decision about choosing a graphical-based or command-based. Command-based editors are also called as CLI editors, where CLI stands for Command Line Interpreter. Let us look at some popular options in CLI and GUI for Linux-based text editors. VI or Vim, gedit, Atom, Sublime Text, VS Code, Emacs, Notepad++, etc. Yes, we do have a lot of options in both GUI and CLI. But there is an unspoken mandate among Unix and Linux users to have knowledge of at least one command-based editor. And what better than Vim? So, in the next video, let us learn to work with Vim. Graphical-based and command-based text editors are available in Linux. Choosing a graphical or command-based editor depends upon the user and environment. Some popular options in CLI and GUI for Linux-based text editors are VI or Vim, gedit, Atom, Sublime Text, VS Code, Emacs, Notepad++, and so on.